Hello guys, I just finished my 3-part tutorial series on how to build a web app from scratch using Django, htmx and Tailwind CSS, all the way until deploying it on the internet. And I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who followed along, watched the videos, gave them a thumbs up and subscribed to this channel. This channel has now surpassed the 1000 subscriber mark, which might not look like a lot compared to other channels on YouTube, but it is a big deal for me, a personal milestone, and it makes me very happy and proud. So thank you so much for your help. I've also received so much good feedback, comments and suggestions from you guys, which is truly amazing. Thank you. I have collected a few of them that made my days. For example, this one here. Best Django tutorial out there so far. I learned so much more by doing. Thank you for putting such a complete step-by-step project out there for us to learn. Thank you so much for this comment and I'm glad you like it. Or another one. Your dedication to creating an awesome playlist for Django Project truly shines. The way you seamlessly blend informative content with a touch of creativity not only educates but also inspires. It is evident that you're not just creating videos, you're crafting an invaluable resource for the Django community. Keep up the fantastic work and know that your efforts are making a significant impact. Wow, what a great comment. Thank you so much. It is very inspiring. Or another one here. I want to say a big thank you. Thanks to your videos, I got a job offer. Please keep making new courses with Django and new stacks. Your videos and content are very useful. So big congratulations on your job offer. This is amazing and I'm so happy my videos could help. Or another one. Awesome content, so clean and simple. I've never written a comment nor ever gone as far as contributing. But you deserve it. Great work. Love your approach. Thank you so much for the coffees, my friend. And to all of you, thank you so much for your kind feedback and comments. I love to read them. I want to give a special shout out to my supporters on Patreon and buymeacoffee.com. You guys are truly legends. As a small thank you, I've collected the most essential concepts and steps of deploying a Django app in a cheat sheet. And you can find it on patreon.com. Again, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. When I started this journey of making videos on YouTube, my goal was to build an archive of programming knowledge for myself and share it online so others might find it useful too. But I feel like this channel became much more than that. We have a growing community now of people who want to learn together and build some cool web stuff, which is so exciting to see. I myself am by no means an expert. I'm just curious how things are built and work and want to integrate it into my own projects. So what's next? Now I will focus again on building some interesting web projects using Django and htmx, such as building a real-time chat feature with Django channels and WebSockets, looking into technologies such as Celery, the Django REST framework or Wagtail CMS. So stay tuned for all of that. In closing, I would like to say I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your feedback and support. Until next time, my friends, stay curious and ciao ciao for now.